I have a little extended venting to do this evening, so please bear with me. The Maverick is sick and tired of international football scouts, coaches, and agents looking at Jamaican players and then almost patronizingly saying how impressed they are and how Jamaican players are talented and they have speed and skill and horse dead and the cow fat and all slim back. And none of them, all of them, can get a contract. They need to stop it. We've had a string of them over the past few weeks, from the players who went to the recent MLS combined camp in Florida, and again, the Manchester United coaches that came here for the Flow Super Cup All-Stars coaching clinic. We hear how the players are talented and impressive and blah, blah, blah. Even coming out of the Reggae Boys warm-up game against the Romanian club and the friendly against South Korea in Turkey, the JFF General Secretary is quoted as saying there were encouraging signs and scouts were interested in some of the players and yap, yap, yap. I don't want to hear it. If they rate the young Jamaican ballers so much, sign them. Put them money where them out there by placing professional contracts on the table. Even invite some of the youth them to spend some time in the club's academies. Since you are so impressed, and stop the bag of chatting. It's better these coaches tell the Jamaican players up front, you're not good enough or you're not fit enough. You need to work on this or work on that in order to improve, etc. But stop taking the Jamaican baller them for fool. If a footballer is impressive, put a contract on the table. See there, pen and paper, dotted line, sign, contract, don't turn the contract.